Okay, we are almost done with our Shroom Fairy at this point. We're going to use our ending tail to do some sculpting and shape our booty. So I've already closed the hole at the end of my work. The next step is you're going to take your tail and you're going to go up through the center there, and you're going to come out between 16 and 17, like where your first slip stitch is between your increases, just right in the middle. Then you're going to come back around and go right back into that center point and come back up that same spot. Okay, so make sure your yarn is centered there and give it a tug. And then you'll see the booty start to form. All right, I'm going to go down through the middle one more time. And I'm actually going to come out on the belly side. Again, I'm going to give it a nice tight tug so we get a little more definition there. And on the belly, I am going to go around one of my stitches there and tie a knot to secure it. With the chenille yarn, you're not going to see that knot at all. If you're using like acrylic, you might see it, but it's on the belly, so it shouldn't be that big of a deal. But if you are really worried about it, you can take this tail and send it all the way up through the top of the head, because our mushroom cap is going to cover that up, and tie your knot there. Okay, so that's secure. I'm going to do it one more time. And then I'm going to hide this tail. Just like that. And do a little squishing to shape it. All right, there we go. We've got our little booty.